How to fix the touchpad settings are not showing up in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now the first thing you'll need to do is to right click on the start button and then click on device manager, and then you want to expand the human interface devices category, and from here you want to find your touchpad device. It should be called touchpad like in the name. Then you want to simply right click on it and then go to update drivers and then search automatically. And if it says that you have the best drivers already installed, you want to go back and click on the second option and then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers and select your main touchpad device, and now press next and wait for it. And once it's successful, you can close out of this window, and then you can check if this solves the issue or not. Otherwise, you want to open up the settings by right click on the start button and then click on settings, and from here you want to go to the devices category or Bluetooth and devices for Windows 11. And then from this list, you want to click on your touchpad device and make sure it's enabled. There is an enable checkbox. You want to check it if it's turned off. And then you can close out of this and then check if that solves the touchpad problem. Otherwise, if it still doesn't work, the last thing you can do is to open up the CMD or terminal as admin. And then you want to run the following command, sfc space /scan now, and then press enter and wait for this process to finish checking. And once the scan is done, you want to also open up your browser and search for your laptop model and just download all the provided updates and drivers provided by your manufacturer and make sure to install them on your laptop. And this should generally solve the issue. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.